Alright boys, I just filled up. I'm going to a soccer game right now. The car is hella dirty. I do like the blacked out look. Let me know what y'all think of it. But yeah, just nice little POV tonight. I am gonna be late for my game, but look at the stars and everything. I feel like it turned out pretty good. Look how crazy this thing look, boys. I just left my game right now, and even from outside you can see the ambient lights. I was gonna finish off the video with like a POV, but I tried pushing the car and it's hella boring. I promise y'all. Unless I figure out some way to make the POV entertaining. Let me just start it up real quick though. Yo, my boy looking at fine shit there.
It's some old ass female. You ain't fine shit. You ain't fine shit.
Down, gang. But nah, there's some fine shit that work in that store. That shit close to my crib too. I ain't seen her back. Try to see her.
Oh, you was sitting your girlfriend when
I had a girl, yeah.
You go to 4 gang, I'm a cheat.
I was locked in
right
though.
next to my crib.
I was like, I'm gonna run it back though.
Either way, your girlfriend gonna leave. Man.
Either way, she done left.
Yeah.
Chance, gang. That's crazy.
Even if you ain't crack yours, at least supposed to get that number.
Me and my boy about the ball. Yo, I still can't put my shit in sport though. As y'all can see, I got the passenger light, and I had
Pothole reported ahead.
Shit, I had some other
cops?
light too. Huh?
Cops or oh,
No, pothole, yeah.
I was thinking that she was talking about them cops, but I know it mean good.
Damn, this all done fell.
Yes.
I ordered my shit though. Once I put that on, I'm gonna be able to go in sport. Plus again, the POVs are gonna be fire after that. Yo, look at this fire. I think it's a 330. I don't even know whose car it is, but this is a crazy dealership. They got like, damn, that's a 63. Oh, CLE 63. That should look brand new. I don't even know what that is. G63. I definitely want a G-Wagon, but this is fire. It is lowered too. I can tell that's his winter tires, just like mine. Got the same trunk clip, but that is fire. So it is a 330i. I can tell from the double exhaust tips, and he has a new tail light. So I know it's not a 328 unless he changed that himself. But that's fire. I just put a business card in there. So if y'all want to grab anything for your car, trunk clip, front lip, side skirts, even the yellow DRL modules, feel free to check out my website. Link in the description, thecarstore.shop.com. But let me know what you guys think. Is this lower than my car? Because that shit looks slammed. I can't lie. Especially if you had a front lip. But tell me if y'all think it's lower than my car or not. I need to wash this thing again though. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. That's fire. I can't wait to get my new wheels. Everything gonna be put together. Now we really done stepped out to ball out, gang. yo, the car looks fire. I'm trying to take some pictures with it, like me standing beside the car, because I ain't got no pictures of me in the car that I like. It's a little fit check. I got some fours on. But yeah, I'm trying to take some pictures with this shit right now.
That's some fine shit.
Let me take my jacket off. It is hella cold, but the temperature is getting better, because usually I can't be standing outside doing nothing. But right now I can stand out with my shirt off. So I see that as a W. Try to take some pictures real quick, see how it turns out. The car is hella dirty. If it was clean, it would be better, but it's gonna have to work right now.
One eternity later.
Alright boys, it is hella late at night. Let me see what time. 9:32. Just heading back home. Car's looking fire though. I'm just stopping at the ATM real quick. About to deposit some cash and then I'm gonna head home. Not even sure how long this video is. I'm trying to do like some new style of videos, kind of like vlogging, but I don't really know how to be a full-on vlog. But I'm trying to record more of like my actual life and stuff. So let me know if y'all like this kind of content as well. But park hella far. That's still the closest spot. I guess I could have parked in this spot right here. Some people might get mad at me for parking in these spots, but the ambient light looks crazy too. You can see it from outside. That's fire. It looks crazy in there. Yo, the sunroof open. Damn, that's why it's so cold.